हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों. गुड मॉर्निंग समर्थ and good morning Kanik Sarora and good morning the rest of the students those are sending their good wishes. Okay, now we are solving the chapter number 7 and this is a very easy chapter. I already told to you this is the second easy chapter in our syllabus. Okay, means all are the easy but these are the very easy chapters. Next I am taking the next question number 15 and it is given that x cube plus 5x is 7x square minus 21x minus 27, and this type of the question is very important for your examination. Please remember, note down this thing. When you have given this type of the question, that is very important for your examination. Okay, when you check your previous year question paper, there you will get this type of the question. Okay, so let's suppose let fx is equal to x cube plus 7x square minus 21x minus 27. This is our question. x cube plus 7x square minus 21x minus 27. This is our question and it is given that factorize by using the remainder theorem. Factorize means I already told to you what are 6. What are the factor of the 6? 2 into 3 या 3 into 2 या 6 into 1 into 1. So in the terms of the simple form we have to return the factor and in the multiply. जैसे ये x square minus a square. So what is its value? It is the algebraic expression. So we have write it in the form of smallest way, simplest way, x plus a then x minus a. So these are the two factor of the given expression. Same here we have to find the factor of the given expression by using the remainder theorem. So there are the two methods to find the factor of the given equation. Okay, first one is the first term means first step. It will applicable for the both method. First one is here in the we have given x cube plus 7x square minus 21x minus 27, and when you check in our previous question, that time we have given one factor. But in this case nothing is given here, only the algebraic expression is given here. कोई factor given नहीं है, कुछ नहीं given है. So how can you calculate the one factor? So in this case when you have given only a algebraic expression, so that time first we need a one factor of the given equation. इसका एक factor हम लोगों को चाहिए. How can you find the factor? So by using the remainder theorem. What can we do in the remainder theorem? So you can substitute any value. Then after that, if remainder is equal to 0, so we can say that the given term, the given polynomial is the factor of the given expression. So let's suppose let x is equal to 1. Okay, one by one you can take any value. First you can take smallest one, plus 1 या minus 1, then plus 2 या minus 2. Okay, then plus 3 minus 3. Okay, so in our books 99 questions are solving on plus 1 and plus 1 minus 1 plus 2 and taking plus 2 and minus 2. Okay, above. तो हम लोगों को क्या करना है, यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू 1 by 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करनी है, और when we will get remainder is equal to 0, so that value is when the value satisfy the given equation, so we can say that value is the factor. तो 1 पे चेक करो. first of all check at 1. let x is equal to 1, so f1 is equal to 1 plus 7 minus 21 and minus 27. so when you solve it, it does not equal to 0. देखो 7, this is 7 और 1 8 और 21, ये तो बहुत बड़ा जा रहा है. It does not equal to 0. It means x minus x1 means we can say that x is equal to 1. x is equal to 1 को क्या लिख सकते हैं, taking 1 in left hand side, x minus 1. x minus 1 is not a factor of the given expression. Now check it for the minus 1. f minus 1, let x is equal to minus 1. so f minus 1 is equal to minus 1. substitute the value here, minus 1 plus 7, then this is minus 21 into minus 1, so minus 21 into minus 1, to minus 1 minus plus 21 and minus 27. now solve it and check it what is the value here. तो ये शायद कुछ देखते हैं, ये कितना हो गया, हो रहा है solve. this is 21 and 1 20, 21 और 7 28 and 27 and minus 1, so minus 27 minus 1 minus 28. so what is our remainder? remainder is equal to 0 at the case of f is equal to minus 1. f is equal to minus 1 में हम लोगों को remainder कितना मिल रहा है, 0. तो we can say that x is equal to minus 1. x is equal to minus 1, so we can write it x is equal to taking minus 1 in left hand side, so then it become plus is equal to 0. So x plus 1 is the first factor of the given polynomial. X plus 1 is the first factor of the given polynomial. You can check it any another for the another number. Okay, so one method is 1 by 1 we can calculate how many factor, highest power is 3, so we can calculate the 3 numbers. Okay, 3 factor 1 by 1 एक एक नंबर लेते रहो, वैल्यू पुट करो. बट प्रॉब्लम कहां पे आएगी? इफ the question is satisfied on plus 2 या minus 2, for example it is satisfied on plus 2 and minus 2, and next number you are taking plus 3 minus 3, but sometimes the factor will be x is equal to 2 upon 3 in the form of the fraction या any another fraction. So that time when our value of the x in the form of the fraction, तो 1 by 1 चेक करने में प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी. ओके, एंड दैट इज द टाइम टेकिंग मेथड. तो सो आफ्टर दैट when we get our one factor, that time we can do the actual division method. Okay, that time we can do the divide method here, जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन में हम लोगों ने किया था. तो क्या होगा? फॉर एग्जांपल if I explain to you, if 2 is the factor of the 6, if 2 is the factor of 6, so can you tell me what is the another factor? So when we divided the 6 by 2, so we will get next factor, it means 3. So same here, we can divide the given expression by the first factor x plus 1. We can divide the given expression by x plus 1, x cube plus 7x square minus 21x and minus 27. Okay, next divide it, so it is a very simple. तो कितना, this is x and it is x cube, x square here, so x into x cube, then x square into 1, so plus x square minus. Okay, this is cancel out, 7 minus 1, so 7 minus 1 6x square. Now taking another number minus 27. This is positive, so we will take here positive number 6x square and it is x, so 6x square. Now 6x into 1, so plus 6x, subtract it, minus plus minus cancel, and minus 21 plus 6, then it is minus 27x and minus 27. नेगेटिव नंबर यार, नेगेटिव नंबर ये शॉर्टकट है याद रखने के लिए. यहाँ पे नेगेटिव तो यहाँ भी नेगेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. ओके, तो नाउ दिस इज minus 27, वी कैन टेक x and 27. तो 27 into x minus 27x and 27 into 1 minus 27. माइनस और माइनस प्लस, माइनस प्लस, जो हम लोगों ने, दिस इज माइनस प्लस कैंसिल, माइनस प्लस कैंसिल 0. इट मींस व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट फैक्टर? द नेक्स्ट फैक्टर इज x square plus 6x minus 27, but it is not completely factorized here, so we have to factorize the given expression here. Can we write the given expression? In the last lecture I already explained to you. We can write this thing, dividend x cube plus 7x square minus 21x minus 27 is equal to quotient into divisor. Okay, means x plus 1 into x square plus 6x minus 27, and plus remainder is 0 here. So first factor is x plus 1. Now break it, because this is a quadratic equation and you are the expert. How can you to solve this quadratic equation? Okay, कितना हो जाएगा? 27. तो 27 कितना होगा? 4, 9 3 जा 27 and 9 minus 3 6. और कोई फैक्टर और कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है सर. ये हो जाएगा कितना? x square plus 9x minus 9 3 जा 27, 9 minus 3 6 and minus 27. So then x plus 1 is here, then x common, x plus 9 minus 3 is common, then x plus 9. So what are the rest two factors? X plus 1, next is x plus 9 is common, next x minus 3. So these are the three factors of the given expression, x cube plus 7x square minus 21x minus 27. And when you substitute the value 1 by 1 here, अगर आप पहले 1 या minus 1 लेके चलते हैं, okay, then second x plus 2 minus 2, x is equal to 3 minus 3. So first number is plus minus 1. When you take x in right hand side 1, so then it is x is equal to minus 1. What is the next number? X is equal to 3. Next number is x is equal to minus 9. So 1 by 1 if you will check here, so it will be time taking. So remember this thing on your mind. When you factorize the given expression and if there is no factor is given out, that time using the remainder theorem, ये remainder theorem का concept है, that time we can substitute any one value 1 by 1 we can check for the numbers. If the remainder is equal to 0 for a particular number, so that time we can say that the given number x is equal to 1 is not factor. Okay, x1 we will write here finally. So this is x minus x is equal to minus 1. So we can write this thing is taking one left hand side to x plus 1. So x plus 1 is a factor, and after that if we get one factor, so we can divide the given polynomial by the first factor x plus 1. Then after that we will get a quadratic equation in the form of the question. Then we can factorize the quadratic equation. So we will get our all the three factors. Highest power is 3. So remember this thing, we can calculate 3 factors. Okay, so hope you understand this thing. How can we calculate it? Next, after that, okay, the next one is, so please try to solve the remaining question. All are the same one. Okay, these 3 parts are given here. Rest of the 3 parts please try to at your home. Okay, अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो फिर से इस वीडियो को वॉच करना, सही से देख लेना, आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. Next, question number 16 I am taking here. 16. This is given that x minus 3 is the HCF of x minus 3 is the HCF of x cube minus 2x square plus px plus 6, and second one is x square minus x square minus 5x plus q. So then question is find the value of 6p plus 5q. This is also very simple one. Okay, but I am taking this one. Okay, this is given that x minus 3 is the HCF, and when HCF means highest common factor. Common factor means it is the factor. So when x minus 3 is the factor here, it means in the both cases remainder will be same. Means when you substitute the value of x minus 3 here, तो remainder we will get 0, but it is in the form of the variable the x and p की वैल्यू कुछ होगी नहीं, तो इसका मतलब 0 तो फाइनल मिलेगा नहीं, but we can suppose let here it will be 0 because the x minus 3 is a factor. So since x minus 3, let first function is fx is equal to x cube minus 2x square plus px plus 6, and let the second function is gx. Let second function is gx is equal to x square minus 5x plus q. Okay, so x minus 3 is a factor of fx and gx. Factor is okay, so it means in the both cases when we substitute here x is equal to 3, so f, therefore the value of 3 it will be 0. Similarly, the value of g x is equal to 3, it will also 0. So substitute the value here, so we can calculate our answer. So first time taking fx is equal to, it is given that x cube minus 2x square plus px and plus 6. So what is the value of this part for the 3? f3 is equal to, putting x minus 3 is equal to 0, so we will get x is equal to 3. So then this is 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 minus 3 3 are 9 and 9 to the 18. 3 3 are 9 to the 18 and plus this is 3, so 3 into p and plus 6. What is the value of f3? It is represent to the remainder. The remainder is equal to 0 because x minus 3 is the factor here. The remainder is equal to 0. So 0 is equal to, this is minus 18 and plus 6. Minus 18 plus 6 minus 12. So 27 minus 12 and plus 3p. So what is the value of the 3p? So can we take 3p in the left hand side? या फिलहाल इसको सॉल्व करो, देखिए कितना हो गया. 0 is equal to 5, 2 minus 1 1 and plus 3p. So 15 in left hand side negative 15. So p is equal to minus 5. P is equal to minus 5. Okay. Next, for the second part, it is given that gx. So gx is equal to x square minus 5x plus q. So for g and factor is 3. So then 3 3 is 9 minus 5 into 3 15 and plus q. Its value is remainder is equal to 0. So then 15 minus 9 minus 6 plus q. So q is equal to positive 6. And the question is find the value of 6p plus 5q. So what is the value of p? So 6 into minus 5 and plus 5 into 6. So sir, it is minus 30 and plus 30. So our answer is 0. Okay, this is our solution. Hope you understand this type of the question, and all are the very easy question. Okay, next after that, next 17 I am taking here, question number 17. 17 and 18 both are the same. You can, I am taking any one. 17 first part. What number must be subtracted? Let the function is fx is equal to the expression x cube minus 6x square minus 15x plus 80. X cube minus 6x square minus 15x plus 80. What numbers must be subtracted? So the result is exactly divisible by x plus 4. Okay, sir. For example, if you have given here 23, to what number it is subtracted here? Okay, subtraction की बात की है. What number should be subtracted here? So that the resultant will be exactly divided by 5. यहाँ पे कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट करें कि जो रिजल्ट बनेगा वो एग्जैक्टली डिवाइड हो जाए 5 से, तो कितना होगा सर? तो व्हाट विल बी कम हियर, यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? तो 23 minus 3, देन इट विल बी 20, एंड 20 डिवाइडेड बाय 5, तो इट इज कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल बाय, ओके, इट आंसर इज 4. तो सेम क्वेश्चन हियर. तो लेट वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट हियर, लेट वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्टेड हियर a. क्या सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं? a कर सकते हैं. तो सो दैट fx इज इक्वल टू x क्यूब माइनस 6x स्क्वायर माइनस 15x प्लस 80, देन प्लस नॉट प्लस हियर, दिस इज माइनस a मैंने सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया. एंड आफ्टर दैट नाउ व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस थिंग, तो दैट मींस it is completely divided here. So after that what will be the remainder will be 0. So same condition here. So when the given expression it comes, when this part, okay, when it is divided by x plus 4, so that time remainder will be 0. रिमाइंडर कितना होगा? 0. पहले तो नहीं बोला है, अगर इसको नहीं करोगे तो रिमाइंडर 0 होगा. नो सर, बट व्हेन वी सब्ट्रैक्ट एनी नंबर आफ्टर दैट द रिमाइंडर विल बी 0. इट मींस वी कैन पुटिंग x plus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4. तो so that f x minus 4, its value will be 0. So now one by one substitute here. This is minus 4 is equal to minus 4 into minus 4. 4 for the 16, 4 for the 16 and 16 for the 64. 4 की power 3. Okay, 4 for the 16 and 16 for the 64. तो minus 64 minus 4, 6 4 for the 16 plus में हो जाएगा. And 6 into 4, 6 for the नहीं 4 for the, this is x square. तो 4 for the 16 and 16 6 ja 16 5 8 16 6 ja 96. So minus 96. Now minus 15 into x minus 4. So minus or minus plus, and 15 4 ja 60. Next plus 80 and minus 8. What is the value of minus 4? It will be 0. तो 0 is equal to sir, इसको सॉल्व कर लो तो 60 and minus 4 कितना हो गया? 60 minus 4, तो minus 4. Next minus 96 and plus 80, minus 96 and plus 80, minus 16 and minus 8. So then 0 is equal to minus 20 and minus 8. So taking a in left hand side, a is equal to minus 20. This is our answer. A is equal to minus 20. Okay. तो सेम द क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 सेकंड पार्ट. 17 का सेकंड पार्ट भी आपका सेम क्वेश्चन है. Okay, now the 17th second part is given here. What number must be added here? तो यही चीज लेके चलो. जैसे 23. Now what number must be added here? So that so that the number is completely divided by 5, so that the resultant is completely divisible by 5. तो कितना यहाँ पे ऐड करें? तो लेट सपोज वी कैन टेक हियर a, वहां पे तो a ले रहे हैं, बट यहाँ पे कितना ऐड करें? मिनिमम नंबर. वैसे तो बहुत सारे नंबर ऐड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन ऐड, यहाँ पे आप कितना ऐड कर सकते हैं? We can add here 2, we can add here 7, we can add here any number, but मिनिमम नंबर कोशिश करना. ठीक है, तो we can take add here 2, तो then it is 25, then divided by 5. Answer is 5 5 is 25. It means remainder will be 0 here. So same in the next question, what number must be added in the given expression so that the resultant is completely divisible by x minus 2. So this is a very simple one. So I request please try to solve this question, and after that the self evaluation and revision exercise is started here. So sir, because in the first exercise I solved lot of question and all are the repeated here, but any one question I am taking from here because all are the repeated. I request all the students please solve this question, because यहाँ पे इसको करा के कोई फायदा नहीं है. सिंपल सा चैप्टर भी है और रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन है. तो I request each and everyone please try to solve by yourself, so you will understand the basic of the factor theorem and remainder theorem. Okay, चलो एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ से उठा के देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18. Question number 18 of the last exercise. Using remainder theorem, find the value of k. Find the value of k if on dividing 2x cube, let's suppose it is fx. So 2x cube plus 3x square minus kx and plus 5 by x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2, and leaves a remainder, and remainder is equal to 7. What is the value of the k? What will be the value of k when the given expression is divided by x minus 2? It's leave a remainder 7. It means remainder does not equal to 0. Remainder is not equal to 0 here. So what can we do here? It means we have given the value of when we putting x minus 2 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 2. So if we substitute the value of x is equal to 2 in the given expression, तो ये कितना होगा? f2. It means this part represent to the remainder here. And what is our remainder? Remainder is 7. Remainder is 7. Okay, so this condition is given here. This condition is given here. So substitute the value of x is equal to 2 in the given expression. So f2 is equal to x is equal to 2. Then 2 into x cube. 2 into x cube means 2 to the 4 to the 8. Then plus 3 into 2 to the 4 minus k into x. So 2 into k minus 2k and plus 5. Now tell me what is the value of the f2? It is denote to the remainder here. Last में remainder आता ना, तो यहाँ पे ये भी किस चीज को denote करेगा? Remainder है. Remainder is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 8 to the 16 plus 4 3 the 12 minus 2k and plus 5. Okay, solve it and you can calculate our answer. What will be the answer? कितना आ जाएगा? इस 2k को लेफ्ट में लेके आ जाओ, तो 2k is equal to this is 16 28 plus 5 and this is minus 7. तो 2k is equal to 33 minus 7, तो 2k is equal to ये हो जाएगा आपका कितना? 26 and k is equal to 13. The value of k is equal to 13 here. K is equal to 13. Okay, so sir I request, because all are the repeated here, तो try to solve this question. एक आध देखते हैं कोई और अगर कोई चेंज हो, but I told to you all are the repeated here, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. एक क्वेश्चन और देख लेते हैं using the remainder theorem, factorize it. Okay, टाइम क्या हो? Okay, sir, I am taking the last question of this exercise. Then after that, I request each and every student please solve the remaining question. X minus 2 is the factor of the given expression. When the expression is divided by 3, it's leave a remainder. Find the value. Okay, now I am taking the sixth question. X minus 2 is a x minus 2 is a factor of 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14. Okay, question number 6. When the expression is divided by x minus 3, when the expression is divided by x minus 3, so then it's leave a remainder is equal to 3. So find the value of a and b. Find the value of a and b. It is also very simple one. First condition is given that x minus 2 is the factor. X minus 2, let's suppose fx is equal to 2x cube plus 5x square minus 11x minus 14, and given that x minus 2 is a factor of fx, so it means the value of x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, the value of f2 will be 0. It means remainder is equal to 0 in the first case. Remainder is 0, so substitute the value of x is equal to 2 in the given expression. So f2 is equal to 2 into 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 into 8 plus 5 into 2 to the 4 minus 11 into 2 and minus 14. So f2 is equal to 0 because x minus 3 is the factor given here. It is given that it is a factor here. Okay, so 8 to the 16 plus 5 to the 20 minus कुछ छूट गया सर, एक मिनट है, कुछ मिस्टेक हो गई, ए तो वैल्यू बनी नहीं रही. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, x क्यूब, यहाँ पे कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया. दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर, दिस इज x cube plus ax square plus bx and plus 6. Okay, it's leave a remainder, so it is changed here. Now substitute the value here, x cube plus ax square plus bx and plus 6 is given here. Substitute the value, कितना हो जाएगा, 2 to the 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4 to the 8 plus 2 to the 4, 4a and plus b, 2b and plus 6. Its value is equal to 0 is equal to 8 or 6, 8 और 6 14 and plus 4a plus 2b. So taking 14 in left hand side, so minus 14 is equal to 2a plus 2b. 2 is common, so minus 7 is equal to a plus b. Yeah, we can say that a plus b is equal to minus 7. Equation number first. Same on solving the second part here. On solving the second part is given that x minus 3 when fx, the given expression, is divided by x minus 3, so then remainder is equal to 3. That time remainder is equal to 3. It means putting x minus 3 is equal to 0, so that x is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. It means our f3 is equal to its value. It is represented to the remainder. F3 is equal to 3. So substitute the value of 3 in the given expression. So f3 is equal to 3. X cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6. So 3 3 is 9, 3 is 27 plus 3 3 is 9a and plus 3b and plus 6. Its value is equal to 3. So 27 or 6, 33 and plus 9a plus 3b. So that taking it left hand side, so minus 30 is equal to 9a plus 3b. So 3 is common here. So 3 is common. It is 3a plus b. So 3 in the divide, to minus 10. So 3a plus b is equal to minus 10. Equation number second. And you are the expert of the solving of simultaneous linear equation. So by using the any method, we can solve the equation and we can calculate the value of a and b. Okay. So I hope you all understand the concept of remainder theorem and factor theorem. So I request each and every one student, please try to solve the whole exercise today. Okay. बहुत सिंपल सी चीज है, ये मत बोलना कि सर ने सेल्फ इवैल्यूएशन एक्सरसाइज नहीं कराई. मैंने फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट कराई है, बट सेकंड एक्सरसाइज में सारे क्वेश्चन रिपीट हो रहे हैं और मैंने चेक भी किया था, कोई चेंज नहीं है, कोई नहीं, सारे रिपीट हो रहे हैं. तो सो आई रिक्वेस्ट each student those are watching the video and those are watching the video after when they get time, to request please solve the remaining question. Those are repeated here, and tomorrow onwards I will start your new chapter, and that is the matrices. That is the new one chapter in your syllabus. पहले आपने कभी नहीं पढ़ा है, तो tomorrow we will deal with the new chapter, that is matrices here. And if there is any doubt, okay, yeah, any question, you can ask me directly in the WhatsApp. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, and